But we just simply started by giving 1 lakh rupees to one particular entrepreneur selected by a small committee. And every month I started recognizing one entrepreneur and giving 1 lakh rupees as a token of appreciation to them. And obviously, slowly and steadily, we started to think about how we can further help them. So this is how the journey started. And here we are today, being able to take this, to a different level and having different verticals of entrepreneurship that we are seeing. What is most important, which is I want to get to the core of what we are trying to do out here. The core of what we are working on is to create the culture of entrepreneurship. That is what is the most important thing. And when I say the culture of entrepreneurship, by that I mean the culture of taking calculated risk. The culture of not always depending or thinking that only government job is the only opportunity. The culture of looking at some problem and saying, I think there is a solution and I can find a solution to this, and that solution can create value for me, value for the people, and I can actually create a business out of it. So to be able to see an opportunity in a problem, the culture of having an ecosystem where if somebody wants to start a business, he or she should have that support system. And this is what all we have been trying to do, as I said, in the last 6 to 7 years, is to create that culture. And I'll tell you, it's one of the most difficult things to do. Because we are all used to a certain mindset. We're always used to it. Parents will always tell you, don't take risk. They will never encourage you to take risk. Obviously because they care about you. They're concerned about you. They don't want you to do something where you may actually end up not actually succeeding. And they do it because they care. But that is exactly the mindset which we need to work on. We need to change that mindset and to say that without risk there is no gain. And we need to take risks in life.